If you're still doing the final shaping of your wood or wood and resin projects by hand, give you the next 50 seconds to tell you about our line of router templates. I'm Sean from Crafted Elements, and since 2019 we've been saving woodworkers and resin artists time and money with our large format silicone molds. However, in 2022 we released a line of time saving and efficiency boosting router templates. So whether you're looking to form charcuterie boards or handles or clocks or wine caddies or anything in between, we have over 80 different template designs to fit your needs. Now these templates are not only going to save you time, but they're going to reduce the potential for errors during the cutting and shaping process, and they're also going to give you a CNC-like finish without the use of a CNC machine. We have two different types of templates. Our shaping templates help you make things like charcuterie boards, serving board handles, functional art like wine caddies and wine serving trays, or our inlay templates that help you create things like clocks and do inlays like bow ties. Start by temporarily attaching the template to your material of choice, whether it be wood or wooden resin, and create a tracing line. Then, using your saw of choice, whether it be a jigsaw, bandsaw, scroll saw, or otherwise, create a basic shape staying outside of the trace line. Go back to your router table featuring a standard flush trim bit, and guide that trim bit along the template to finally shape your wood. If you're using one of our pocketing or inlay templates, grab your plunge router with a proper inlay bit, affix the template to your material, and let the router bit do the work. So what are you waiting for? You can start shaping like a pro now. Shop our massive line of acrylic router templates that are in stock and available for immediate shipping at craftedelements.com.